Hey guys, and welcome to the video. So today I'm going to be doing another test on the Ocusync 2.0. Today we're going to be testing it from inside the car. So can you fly the drone from inside your car, keeping lovely and warm in the cold weather we're experiencing at the moment? We are losing daylight, but it still manages to get a decent picture with that 4K quality now, as you can see. So we're going to be testing a few different things. How is that signal on the drone? Are you able to get any decent footage? Is it really choppy? Is it actually usable, or is it just a load of crap? Let's go and find out. We'll test some quick shots. We'll do a little bit of distance. We also have a bit of wind, 25-mile-an-hour winds today, so we've got that, and we're losing daylight. So let's get on with this video. So when you're going to be flying from your car, do not take off from your roof. So I've taken off. I've just put the drone down in one of the bays next to me. Otherwise, you'll get compass calibrations all the time. So take off just from the side of your car. But so far, look at this footage. It's really nice and smooth. We've had no dropouts, and from the car, with the interference that gives off, this is really good. So keeping an eye on that signal throughout the video. How well is it going to do? So we're at 400 meters. We've got a bit of a dropout, but it quickly sorts that out. Just having a look now at the transmission. The interference in this area, there's a radar tower. We've also got all the metal from the car. So this is a really bad extreme test. Look at how far away I am, sat in the warmth of my car with the heater on. But look at these people here in this sea. I noticed as I was coming back, so just pinching in on them with that 2x zoom. They are a lot braver than I am in that sea right now. So whoever that is, Jesus, but not for me. So let's keep on going backwards, and let's keep an eye on that signal, how it does, how far it can go, and let's see, is it choppy, is it usable, or is it not? So far, I think it's looking really good. So we're now coming up to that 500 meter mark. No dropouts is incredible, considering I'm sat in the car. There's no way you'd be able to do this on the original Mini or the Spark, anything which didn't have the Ocusync system on it. So let's just keep on going. I am aware that we are now going into the wind, and there is strong winds as well. So we're going to get some wind warnings very soon, but I'll just keep pushing it until we get some loss of signal or wind warnings. I'll put it into sports mode to speed this bit up, and let's just push it out to, let's see if we can get to 1,000 meters from inside the car. Keep an eye out on the signal, but look at this footage. It's not choppy, it's really good. So there's our first wind warning message, which I thought. So we are actually traveling into the wind now. Not the best place to be doing this, right over the sea, but at nearly 1,000 meters, that signal has still got 2 or 3 bars. So I've known from experience that this will keep on going, which is absolutely incredible considering I'm sat in the car. This drone just continues to amaze me. That signal's still decent, 1,000 meters away, all the way over there, sat in the warmth. So just imagine on a nice day when you just pull up somewhere, sunset's going, you don't really want to get out of the car to go and get it. Just put the drone next to you, fly it off, and away you go. It's just opportunity to get so many nice pictures. But check this out. I'm now going to switch over to the 2.7K 60. I have shown this in a previous video, but I just love the cinematic effect you can get from this drone. So it's passed that test really well, got good cinematic footage over the sea. So let's just lower the height, and we're just going to fly over that sea now, showing you how capable this is in 4K. Just looks really nice. Looks like you're really low down to the sea with that 2x zoom. I think it's a great added function that DJI have added on, and you can get some really nice shots. I do like the top down shot as well, and in slow-mo like this now, it looks even better. Really cinematic. All it takes is a bit of creativity with this drone, and you can get some really nice shots. So look at that signal now. We're still on 4 bars. We've not had one dropout yet, no loss of signal messages. And I have to keep reminding myself when doing this voiceover that I am sat within my car with the heater on, nice and warm, flying this drone, but also with all the interference around the metal surrounding me, with the controller inside of that car, and it's not having any impact on this drone's signal whatsoever. So DJI should only be applauded the quality and performance that you can now get out of this drone. And the battery also is doing good. It is 1 degrees today, and we've done all these little shots so far, and it's 48%. So let's put this into sports mode. We'll fly over these houses back to where we were before, and we're just going to try out a couple of quick shots to see how that handles it. Does the interference affect any quick shots or not? I don't think it will do, but let's try it out. But as you can see, flying over these houses, again, that retains a really good signal, nice and smooth, good quality footage, wind warning messages, but this drone is more than capable of handling this. Just continues flying back to me in sports mode, extremely smooth. So I've actually looked here on the park, and there's a bit of a statue. So we're going to pinpoint this, and we're going to do a circle around the statue, see how this comes out. Just drag it over. I am going to switch this back over to 4K 30, so that's going to be a bit more light coming through. I'm going to drag this around the statue, and then from within the car, let's press start and then see how this turns out. And away we go. That's come out nice. It's a bit grainy because this is because we're losing daylight, and we're just going to do one more, which is going to be the droney quick shot. So we'll drag it this time around our car, and then it'll fly backwards, keeping that lock on hopefully on the car. So let's check it out. When I thought of this video, I thought this drone is going to have no chance. It's going to be really choppy and unusable footage. Yes, convenient, but not usable. But look at the footage that we've managed to capture today without any signal dropouts. It's absolutely remarkable. And you can just imagine nice days when you're traveling around and you see a really nice landscape, but you might not be able to get to it on foot or have the time. You can just park your car up now, put the drone to the side of your vehicle and take off and capture those moments that you might miss if you're going to try and have to park and walk over to it. Absolutely incredible that you can get this footage we've captured today from within the car. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. I'm going to end the video there. If you've done this test before or something similar, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully we're going to have some more decent weather, and then we can get some more videos out for you. But thanks so much for watching the last few videos. Take care, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now.